Hello children, this is Pushpalata ma'am. Welcome to online class children. Today I am going to teach you subject English class 2 lesson 7 the sailing trip. Okay children, are you ready? This is lesson 7 sailing trip. What is the lesson name children? The sailing trip. The sailing trip. In this lesson, these all are new words children. SOUND sound, TICKET ticket, DROWN drown, CHILDREN children, FRIEND friend, SAFE safe, REACH reach. Okay children. Now coming to the lesson, Avi and Kamana are going on a trip to Goa. See children, in the picture, she is Kamana, he is Avi. Okay children, they are going on a trip to Goa. You also like to go trip to any other places, no children? Like that, Avi and Kamana are going on a trip to Goa. Avi says, I want to sail on a ship. Avi is asking his father, I want to sail on a ship to Goa. Let us go by ship. But Kamana wants to go by train. Kamana wants to go by train. I like the sound of the train. Kamana is saying, I like the sound of the train. When it is moves on a rail track, she says, I like the sound of train when it moves on a rail track. Father comes into the room. See, he is the father of Kamana and Avi. He is the father. Okay children, father comes into the room. He has tickets in his hand. Already he has tickets in his hand. Children, we are going to Goa on Friday. He is saying, children, we are going to Goa on Friday. He says, how are we going, Papa? Children are asking to father, how are we going, Papa? Ask Avi. Avi asks, we are going by ship, says father. Father says, we are going by ship. But Papa, I want to go by train, says Kamana. My dear, we are coming back by train. Father is saying, we are coming back by train. Going by ship, coming back train, says father. Avi and Kamana are happy. They both are very happy because their both wishes are father going by, father did tickets reserved for going by ship, coming by train. Okay children, on Friday all of them get into the ship. The ship started sailing in the water. See children, ship started sailing in the water. It takes 2 days to reach Goa. It takes by ship to reach Goa 2 days. Avi and Kamana have a good time. They find a snail on the ship. You know snail children? Snail, they find a snail on the ship. They put in a pail. Pail means one bucket, like small bucket. They put it in a pail. They play with it. They put the snail in the pail and they are playing. Next day it rains. Next day what happened children? It rains. Avi hears someone calling. See children, Avi and Kamana on the ship. See children, ship. They hear someone is calling. Help me, help me. He runs out to sea. See, the both are seeing from the ship. Kamana also runs out. A small boy is drowning. See children, small boy is drowning in the water. In the water. Avi picks up a chain. He throws it to the boy. Avi immediately picks up one chain and he throws it to the boy. See children, chain, see children. See chain. Avi and Kamna throws chains to the boy. The boy holds the chain. See children, boy is holding the chain. Avi and Kamna pull him up. The boy is now safe. There is a blood stain on his head. There is a blood stain on his head. The three children become friends. See children, three children. See, Avi and Kamana and that boy. Here see children, snail. Snail, this is the snail. And see pail, this is the pail. Okay, the three children become friends. Avi and Kamana let the boy play with the snail in the pail. Papa says, you are good children. Papa says, you are good children. Okay children, you understood the lesson, no? Where are Avi and Kamna going children? Now answer me. Avi and Kamna are going on a trip to Goa. Okay children, how are they going children? They are going by ship. Okay, who is drowning children? A small boy is drowning in the water. Who saved the boy children? Avi and Kamana saved the boy. Okay children, understood children? Here is the small assignment for you. Read lesson 7, the sailing trip 2 times children. Okay children, we will meet you in the next online class. See you children.